Today we're going to be looking at collocations. Our first collocation is family-run hotel. Our next collocation is luxury hotel. And our next collocation is smart hotels. And continuing with our collocations relating to accommodation, our next collocation is budget accommodation. Our next collocation is make a reservation. Our next collocation is fully booked. Our final collocation is rundown hotel. Now let's see if you can find the collocations in my little story. When planning a trip, travellers can choose from many types of accommodation. Some people enjoy staying in a family-run hotel, where the atmosphere is friendly and personal, while others prefer the comfort of a luxury hotel with excellent facilities. In modern cities, many visitors choose smart hotels that use technology for convenience. But those who want to save money often look for budget accommodation. It is important to make a reservation early, especially during the holiday season, because popular places can quickly become fully booked. Otherwise, you might only find a rundown hotel which may not provide a pleasant stay. Did you find them? So, don't forget, a collocation is a pair of words or a group of words that are always or often used together. For example, salt and pepper, custard, apple pie and custard, strawberries and cream. These are all collocations. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on collocations, and that's about it for today. But if you could do me a small favour and click like and subscribe and leave a pleasant comment, it would be really helpful for me, and I look forward to bringing you some more lessons, English language lessons. But for now, it's goodbye. See you soon.